Recording. Hey guys!
Welcome in our special cooking lesson dedicated to traditional Czech food, which is
Sirloin and cream sauce with homemade dumplings, cranberries and whipped cream. It's a delicious combination of tender beef, creamy sauce and of course the obligatory dumplings. Enjoy! For the base we will need pepper, salt, streaky bacon, chopped carrot, celery, onion, bay leaves, a pinch of thyme, allspice berries, lemon and finally pork meat. And because we are poor students, we couldn't afford the finest beef sirloin, so we used pork meat.
cleaned the meat of any membrane, interlaid it with the bacon, and then we added spices, vegetables, squeeze of lemon, and poured over melted butter. Then we left it in the fridge overnight.
And now we are going to put it in the oven.
For the dumplings, we will need yeast, milk, eggs, old rolls, all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt and sugar. Firstly, we put the yeast and sugar in the warm milk and let it ferment.
Then we riddle the flour and salt into a big bowl. Now we put the rest of the ingredients together and make a dough. Finally, we add rolls. Not for sissies.
Put the dough in a bowl and let it heat for an hour.
The base is done, meat is soft, and now just remove the spices.
After we take out the meat, we let the vegetable mixture boil.
To the boiling vegetable, we add hot water, and a spoon of mustard. Let the dumplings boil until they swim. Now just mix the vegetable. To whipping cream, we add 2 spoons of plain flour. Let's put the cream in the sauce. Unexpected expansion. Yummy! And now see the results. Delicious. Our German guests.
Hallo, ich denke, das schmeckt sehr gut.
Wie schmeckt es?
Ja,
Gut?
ganz gut.
Ja, ja. Auf Deutsch. Gut, gut. Yummy, yummy. Už se to natáčí, takže... Já to zvládám. Klapka!
Streaky bacon, chopped carrot, chopped celery.
Pepper. Salt. Dělej. Počkej, nech to nahrávat, nech mě vysmát. Tak, stop.
Unfortunately.
No to jsem mysl. Já to vidím.
Unfortunately.
Ani už já to nesmím. Protože to je blbý slovo. Because you are for students, vlastně. No, sirloin. Počkej, ha. No.
Because we are just...
No co ty vole?
Ne, já jsem to...
Kdyby ses viděla to. No.
Firstly, we put the yeast and sugar in the warm milk.
Už to natáčí. Put the dough in the bowl and let it heat for an hour. Tak.
Oh, moje záto už.
And whipped cream. It's a delicious combination of tender beef, creamy sauce and the... Já to nezapamatuju prostě. Recording. Recording. Pojď tady budeme nevíc. Jo. Ne. Dobrý. Pardon. Hey guys! Ale ani já už to nekazím. Jdeme. Pojď, tak